Riria mbara ya kuhurana na njohi cia ibango bururi-ini ya gutokuna ni mbara ikoragwo igikuruhanio na kunyitwo mbaru ni munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua kuona ati ni akoragwo anyitite itemi nene ta mutongoria muthenya wa mothe akigomana na atongoria a thirikari ya county ya Nyandarua mucini wake mwena wa Karen kuria ambiriirie na kumatugiria hari wira mwega wa kuhurana na njohi ino.
The leadership of the county, you are saving and securing a generation that risk being wiped out by illicit alcohol. Now we have a legal framework to support eradication of toxic and deadly brew for sobriety and productivity in the community and society. On this note, I wish to thank the media for creating awareness on the killer brews and highlighting alternatives of keeping our nation sane and sober.
County ya Nyandarua ni county iria itongoretie hari kwandika weru na kuhitukia mawatho ma guteithiriria hari kurua na mbara ya kuhukia njohi ino gananie ronginyagia uhuuthiri wa dawa cia kulevya ikinya riria rirahurirwo jeki na Rigathi Gachagua.
I congratulate members of the county assembly, Governor Badisha, and the great people of Nyandarua County for being the first to enact a law regulating production, sale, and consumption of alcohol in Nyandarua County. In bringing to life the Nyandarua County Alcoholic Drinks Act 2023, you have spoken loudly and clearly. You have chosen life and prosperity.
Kuona ati gicigo kia Mount Kenya nikio kigumirwo ni ndeto ino munini wa president ni uriti atongoria angi gwitikira kuhimbiria ndeto ino na kunyitana moko niguo gukura mbeu njithi kwi muigwa uyu wa gwithesha.
The Nyandarua County Alcoholic Drinks Act 2023 is an exciting outcome of the various engagements that I held with several stakeholders at the national and county levels. This law, therefore, complements the efforts of national government agencies like NACADA, our security agencies, in adding consumption of illicit brews. Based on this milestone, we appeal and encourage other counties, particularly those that are working towards enacting similar frameworks, to hasten the process.
Mamwe ma mawatho mari atongoria aya a county ino maiguithanirie ni hari kwagirithia na gutigirira ati marua ma kwendia njohi maya na makinya maruru maria magikinyukirio kuri aria mathie mugaru na mawatho maya ma wendia wa njohi ino. Gachagua akiuga ati thirikari nene ni ihotoretie kuhukia njohi ino.
President William Ruto and the entire government acknowledge you for the courage of putting the people first before personal political interest. We know and understand that the pushback is ruthless. This is a kind of leadership that counties and indeed our country needs for impact.
Girifotera Muthingi TV, Gato wa Irimu Akimani.